Hello, Daniel here, and welcome to another one of our product unboxing / review videos. So today we're going to be unboxing a Sony wireless stereo headset. This is Bluetooth, and the model number is WHCH500. As you can see, it's Bluetooth. It's got 20 hours of play, HD. So anything that can take Bluetooth speakers, basically. This should work with that sort of iPhone, that sort of stuff, tablets. It's got a built-in mic as well, which is handy. Right, so this is in cellophane wrap, and I think paid about £30 for this.
£30–40. We bought this because somebody uses a tablet a lot, like a lot of people do, and watch things on it. And they can have the headphones instead of disturbing everybody else.
So this is just going to be an unboxing video, really.
Yeah.
We're not going to set it up at the moment.
I'll show you what's in it.
It's just the overall quality in the packaging and what you, like with most of our review videos, what you can expect to get in them when you buy it.
Yeah. So we actually bought this from Tesco.
Have to excuse the jeans, we've been out in the garden doing bits, so that's why they're so muddy.
Yeah. Right. Okay. That's that bit. Not readily obvious how you undo this, but there we go. Looks well packaged. It's always a good sign when you've got an internal bag.
Let's have a look. Okay, so that's how the packaging looks inside.
Right.
It looks like it's coming out on a thing.
So that's it.
There's nothing else in there apart from what we've just pulled out.
So in there we've got a very strong bag.
So there's your manuals. There's your standard manuals. Let's go through these first. Obviously you want to know how this works. There's a start guide here as well. Oh, this looks quite good actually, that start guide. It's got pictures and all sorts. So as you can see there, that's pretty decent, that.
Yeah, it shows you everything.
Yeah. So you should have no problem setting that up.
Showing you what's in the box, so you know you've got.
So there looks like there's two guides for it. One's in English and that, and another load of languages.
Right.
Guarantee. Obviously you've just seen that, so you know what that is. Oh,
okay, we've got a lead with it.
What is that lead actually for? Is that for charging them up? Yeah, it is. The charging lead there. So that's looks like
charging lead.
So that's USB, not Type C or anything, just standard USB.
So that plug into
like micro USB. That's the type that you get on the end of a phone. So,
okay, so this is the headphones I'm actually unwrapping. Quite nice one in there. Nice little bag. Okay.
So we need to just look at the bottom, see what sort of buttons and things these have.
It's got two protective covers on. It's always a good sign as well. Okay. It's got.
That's an NFC logo on the side there.
Yeah.
Looks like it could be an NFC logo. So okay, so
inside they've got an R, right
and left.
That's obviously important. They swivel,
so you can place them flat without breaking.
And they swivel a certain degree like that. Presumably they're adjustable.
So they're height adjustable, so you can get them comfortable.
It feels quite a good.
Yeah, it does look quite good.
Yeah, it does. Also got a ratchet thing, which is nice.
What about let's look at the bottom of it. So, see, this is the main. So it looks like you've got controls here. If I can actually zoom that in. So you've got controls there. Looks like plus and minus volume and next track. It's not very good, this focus on this camera. What's this here? An on and off button, and you've got play and pause, and it's also got a telephone icon there. the charging port, and I'm guessing that little thing there, that little hole is for a microphone. So it's quite padded.
So let's see how they feel. That's the. So anyways, just in the last video, you see that we've been trying a shaver on.
Comfortable enough.
They are, and they're quite sound deadening around your ears. You know,
Right.
I know there's not a lot going on in it, but you can tell that you can't hear a lot really. Lightweight, yeah, really good. I'm just wondering how easy it is to use the controls when you've got them on.
You'd have to put your fingers up
Yeah, I
near your
know.
ears, wouldn't you? You'd,
Well,
you'd
that's
have
what
to
I'm
sort of
saying.
know where those buttons were. I
So-
guess that would come with using them a few times. I mean, unless you knew what those buttons were.
It's quite easy. Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay.
you know, for me, they're easy to use, which says a lot. So
Right. So if you are thinking about, if you're looking at buying these and just want to know sort of what you get with them and the overall quality, etc., then hoping this video helps you. Yeah. Thanks for watching.